I'm calling this the on deck circle. Okay, I'm going to get started on my next build, and this thing is so big I actually have to stand up at my bench to do this, but it is the Revell Monogram Harley-Davidson Bad Boy in 1:8 scale. And so I've done a 1:12, I've done a 1:24, and a 1:20. So now I'm going to go up to the bigger scale with this, and I got this on eBay, and the previous owner apparently started it. These some of these black parts are painted gloss black, as you can see, and did not do the greatest job. I'm probably going to sand a lot of this down, but I looked through and all the parts appear to be here. But that was only, that's as far as they went, it appears. A lot of the rest of this stuff is still in bags. So, went out, watched a couple of videos. There's one builder who built this, and then there's another awesome video about the actual bike itself. And he does a walk around, and I just took a bunch of stills from that video as my references. So I've got those on the computer, and I'm going to go with the color scheme of that one in the video, and he has the red highlights, and I'm glad there's some other Harley-Davidsons in here, because I think they have a 1:16 kit that there's no decals, so I may scrounge that Harley-Davidson out of there. But yeah, they give you several options. These were what came from the factory. This blue, I think that's maroon, and yellow or gold. And I know I'm a gold and black guy, but I want to do the one that's in that video. It just looks really cool. So that's what I'm going to go with. The directions seem pretty straightforward. This is a skill level 2, and these instructions are awesome. They tell you kind of, build this first, then do that, then, first, second, third, completed a sub-assembly and add to that. So just really good instructions for like a beginning modeler to kind of get the hang of things with sub-assemblies and whatnot. So anyway, that's my introduction kind of unboxing. Oh, and by the way, it's a good thing I put up these new shelves, because I needed the space, because I don't have any more there. I had liked this on eBay, and when you do that, sometimes you get an offer back from the seller, and I'm like, oh, I don't have room for it. But sometimes they have the thing you can click for counter offer, and I'm like, what the heck, and I hit counter offer, and I offered half of what he was originally asking. And I'm like, just for grins and giggles, and boom, 20 minutes later, sure enough, I'm like, oh no, now what do I do? So yeah, I had to go up onto that shelf. So I may build both of those as well, just to get the shelf space back. So yeah, I'm going to dig into this and get started. I don't know how many videos it'll take, probably 1 or 2. It seems pretty straightforward, but yeah, that's my next build. So this is going to be my bad boy build. So stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.